It's a huge setback that DMK seems to be looking at, because Chennai region was supposed to be the DMK stronghold. This is where all their many of their strongmen were contesting, including Chief Minister Mr. M.K. Stalin. In fact, we had during the campaign trail met with Mr. V.S. Babu, who was the incumbent, who had been was the incumbent there, and he was campaigning along with, in fact, Vijay look-alike in that particular constituency. And he is in fact ahead of the Chief Minister by some 2,000 votes, and this is something that the DMK will now look at with quite a bit of shock. The other important candidate is, of course, the Deputy Chief Minister Udayanidhi Stalin Chepok. There also he seems to be trailing. You have Sekhar Babu, another strong man of the DMK in Harbour. He's also trailing. So all 16 constituencies we're talking about. Tamilisai, who is contesting from Mylapore, she's also trailing, and Venkatramanan, who is the TVK candidate, is ahead in the counts now. You also have in the case of T Nagar, where Bussi Anand, who had originally won many years ago from Bussi in Puducherry, he's contesting, and he's the organizing secretary of the TVK. He is also in the lead. So if you were in the Chennai region and you felt that everywhere you are hearing about a TVK, that seems to be reflecting today in these elections. Yes, if we were earlier talking about a youth and a woman vote, this is much more than the youth and a woman vote, which seems to be playing out as of now in these regions. So even a minister like Nehru in the Trichy West constituency, Trichy East is where Vijay is the second seat where Vijay is contesting. Even that minister is trailing. In fact, many of the ministers seem to be trailing. Of course, the margins are expected to be close, so it is possible that some of them make a comeback. But what is becoming clear is that with the trends available for 233 out of the 234 constituencies in Tamil Nadu, it does appear that the TVK is leading in about 100-102. The DMK is at only at about 60 or so that they are leading. So very, very clearly the TVK may not be able to make it to the halfway mark, and therefore we are looking at a hung assembly. Yes, it will emerge, it appears, as the single largest party, not just in terms of vote share, but in the number of seats as well. But they are certainly going to need the help of several other parties, and what we could be looking at is parties like the PMK and others which the TVK had initially invited or kind of shown an inclination to join hands with. All those parties they may look at to get those numbers to be able to get to the halfway mark. Very clearly, Vijay will not be able to go with an NDA or a BJP for the clear reason that while he called the DMK as the evil force, he had called the BJP as an ideological enemy, and therefore that is not something that he will want to do. He is someone who is here as a politician, at least in the long run, having made his debut, such a blockbuster debut that he has made here, and therefore he will need to look